My name is Mark Wright. I'm Executive Head Chef for Sodexo. I oversee the catering for a large and a medium B&I site based in Brighton. Okay, so today I'm making a mushroom pak choi and rice noodle hot pot, and I'll be using Knorr Professional clear paste bouillon. I'm using this bouillon because I wanted a nice clear base. It's really easy to use and it carries great flavour. Okay, I'm going to warm up the bouillon paste with some water, and I'm going to infuse that with some lemongrass, ginger, garlic, chilli and soy sauce. I'll also add some mirin, a little bit of rice vinegar for a bit of sharpness and a bit of sweetness from sugar. Once the broth is infused, I'm going to add my oyster mushrooms and chestnut mushrooms and a little bit of pak choi, which is a Future 50 food. And then I'll freshen it up with some lime juice and fresh coriander. Lastly, I'll serve this up in a bowl with some rice noodles, and I'll pour the broth over the top with vegetables. It's a fantastic versatile dish. I can use this as a street food pop-up. I can also use it in a staff restaurant, and it's also fantastic for formal dining, for hospitality.